In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, automation emerges as a pivotal force, reshaping our professional realms. It brings about a revolution, redefining the very mechanics of work. Product managers, the architects of innovation, find themselves at the crossroads of this transformation, grappling with automation's dual promise of efficiency and the looming shadow of obsolescence. The question arises: how will the intelligent machines, capable of learning and making decisions, influence the role traditionally defined by human insight? Across industries, automation initiates a crucial dialogue about the future, intertwining excitement and concern. For product managers, the challenge extends beyond staying relevant. It's about leveraging automation to enhance their irreplaceable role. As we explore this dynamic, we aim to uncover not just the hurdles, but also the immense opportunities lying at the intersection of human creativity and machine efficiency. As we delve into the era of automation, product managers stand at the forefront of an intriguing evolution. Their task, to perfectly balance customer needs with technological advancements in a landscape where human ingenuity remains irreplaceable. But can automation serve as an ally rather than a replacement? Tools provided by automation now reinforce the unique human capabilities of product managers, from empathy to strategic foresight. This partnership between human intuition and automation's efficiency opens a new chapter, emphasizing not replacement, but augmentation. Moving forward, we will showcase real-world examples where automation has streamlined processes and unlocked creative potential, illustrating a future where product management ascends to unprecedented heights. At the heart of product management, a synergy between human ingenuity and technological prowess prevails. When automation is introduced into this equation, it doesn't diminish, but enriches. We've observed companies seamlessly integrating automation, yielding benefits and overcoming challenges. These real-world examples reveal a spectrum of outcomes, from enhanced operational efficiency to the nurturing of creative decision-making. A common revelation emerges: the successful blend of automation and human touch does not replace but augments human capabilities. In the chapters to come, we'll further explore this harmonious integration, highlighting the evolving role of product managers in a technocentric landscape. Experts envision a future where automation enriches the human element, propelling product management into a new era of innovation. As automation takes over routine tasks, product managers are tasked with honing inherently human skills such as emotional intelligence and creative thinking. This dynamic interplay between AI and human insight cultivates a landscape ripe with opportunities for product managers to expand their creative and decision-making prowess. Remember, the future hinges on blending human and artificial intelligence to achieve outcomes previously unimaginable. Embracing this change is pivotal for thriving in the evolving realm of product management. We stand on the brink of a transformative era, with automation unfolding paths of opportunity. The journey ahead in product management is sculpted not by resisting change, but by embracing it. Skills of the future require continuous learning and adaptability. As we embrace automation, it emerges not as a threat, but as a catalyst for innovation and efficiency, urging us to redefine our roles. Our narrative invites product managers to leverage automation, amplify human creativity, and step confidently into a future where technology and intuition achieve unparalleled synergy.